Assalamu alaikum. So today I'll present me and Ahmad the game Beat the Stress for COE 421 Lab, Computer Systems Engineering Lab. This is made by Amar Aly, Ahmad Aoude, Ahmad Abu Sroor, and Ryan Al-Nimir. So this game is a rhythm game based on the beats per minute that is measured from the user, aimed for stress relief. We will have a four-tiled punch pad to represent four beats that can come at a time. So the players have to punch the correct tile in sync with the music that comes, and the difficulty of the game, which is the speed of the song, is measured as the beats per minute measured while the player is playing, plus an initial difficulty based on user input. So Ahmed will explain how the software interface, the Java UI, deals with the initial difficulty.
Yes, so as you can see, the software interface can be visualized by the screenshot provided. First of all, you enter your name. Then second of all, we will enter the number of courses we're taking. In this case, it's 4. And then we will input the course number itself. So as we can see here, 476 is the neural networks course, for example, and it will take the first digit, which is 4, and take that as the difficulty. In this game, we have levels from 1 till 5. So master's course being the hardest, for example, and freshman course being the easiest. Now, if we have 1 as the difficulty, then it will be just the original speed, pretty light on the user and whatnot. 2, it will be 1.2 times the original speed, and 5, which is the maximum, will be 2 times the original speed of the song, which will make stuff way more fast.
Okay, for the next point, as we said, the difficulty, this is the starting difficulty set by the user based on the course code that he enters. So 4 courses are 4 levels. Later on, while the user is playing, the speed of the song will change based on the beats per minute measured. So this is the architectural diagram for the project. We have a glove component, a tile with 4 pads, and a main controller. So the glove component that the user will hold will have a heart rate sensor to measure their beats per minute. It will have an Arduino on it in order to take the data from the heart rate sensor, and a vibration motor to send the data to the Arduino on the glove. So it adds a haptic vibration feedback while the user is playing. All of these, okay, will communicate with the main controller using a ZigBee module. So the glove Arduino will be able to send any necessary data to the main controller, which will be the Arduino, and then it sends to the PC, which will be running the Java UI and handle any speed changes or any extra processing to do. For the tile with 4 pads, it will have 4 pressure sensors and 4 LEDs. The pressure sensors are to detect the punch, and the LEDs are to indicate that there is a beat that must be done at that specific tile. And again, the results of the punching on this tile will be sent by a ZigBee module to the main controller, the Arduino main controller, and later on to the Java UI for any extra processing. The main controller Arduino itself will have a push button to manually control the song or control the level. Say you want to skip this level, you are able to do this with the Arduino main controller. And you're also able to adjust or view the status of your level, the difficulty, or for debugging using LEDs. So you can see which level is currently active, what is the current difficulty for debugging and for ease of use. So that's it about the architecture. Moving on to Ahmad explaining the dimensions of pleasure.
Yes, so the dimensions of pleasure are a lot. Unfortunately, we weren't able to account for all of them. However, the ones shown on the screen are the ones we were able to account for. Notably, the Kamamadre is not part of this the game because this game is individual based. There is no multiplayer mode or whatnot, so it's just individual. First of all, we will have the creation dimension in which the player will create the levels as demonstrated in the previous slide. Then difficulty, which adapts to the BPM in this case and the course code. Competition, there will be a leaderboard, possibly competing between friends and whatnot on an individual basis. Captivation, there will be a loss of points if a beat is missed. Sensation, there is a vibration and music for immersion, and the music can be like whatever music the user wants. Recognition, there are going to be points for good performance, and as we mentioned earlier, the person or the player will lose points if a beat is missed. So there is that to take into consideration as well. Control, you can also control the tempo of the game by the courses and by basically feeling success through effort done. And then performance feedback, we will get live scores and vibration feedback, possibly on the BPM. And yeah, that's basically it.
Okay, so here is a video to demonstrate the concept. This is done by Ahmad and Ryan.
Hello guys, we're going to present our computer systems lab project. It's supposed to be a rhythm game where you punch according to the rhythm. Here is a simple demo for this. So Mr. Ryan, please. Just a simple proof of concept. Thank you.
Okay, and that's it for the project. Thank you.
Thank you.